Longi is a brand that spends a lot of money in R&D. We know panels, we know solar, we know PV technology. Right now we have the back contact sheet, which is the latest thing. If you see any other panel has the bus bars, very thin lines at the front. Those bus bars create a bit of shading. And this one, all those bus bars are at the back. That means that the solar cell is getting all the sunlight possible and it's gonna outperform.
Presented by Your Energy Answers.
I'm here with Andres from Longi. Let's find out about his panels. Lots of shiny panels here. What makes the Longi panel any different?
Well, first of all, Longi is a brand that spends a lot of money in R&D. We know panels, we know solar, we know PV technology. Right now we have the back contact sheet panel, which is the latest thing. Some of the most expensive brands, we're not gonna name names, have been using this technology for many years. But Longi, we're trying to make this affordable and bring it to everyone.
So the back contact, can you just quickly explain the technology a little bit?
If you see any other panel has the bus bars, very thin lines at the front. Those bus bars create a bit of shading. And this one, all those bus bars are at the back. That's why it's named back contact. That means that the solar cell is getting all the sunlight possible and it's gonna outperform.
If people want to choose a solar panel, what is one of the key things or one or two that they should really look out for?
Look, I think it is about looking at that company, at that solar panel provider that has been in the market for a while. You know that they're going to cover your warranty. Big brands, reliable brands that have been in Australia, for example. There are a lot of players, many panel providers, but I guess there are just a few that have been here for a while and that is going to stay here.
Now let's say I do pick a good panel. How important it is actually to get a good installation company, and how I can tell who is a good installation company?
Absolutely essential. You can have the best of the best, but if you don't install it properly, if you don't have someone reliable, a reliable installer to go on your roof and do everything correctly, you're not gonna get anything. You can have a panel on your roof that is not connected. What happens there? It's not gonna do anything, right? Or if it rains, or if it falls, or if something happens, you need to be able to know and trust your installer. And of course that there's after sale service. Like we provide as manufacturers, we're going to provide you, at least for this panel, for example, 25 years warranty on performance and product, but also your installer needs to provide you that peace of mind.
When it comes to solar panels, lots of technologies, they used to be the blue ones, now they're all black. What's the latest trend in solar panel technology?
One of the latest things is the all black back sheet, which looks a lot more luxurious. It looks just like a thin black film on your roof. It looks posh, it looks elegant, it looks luxurious. People don't want to have stuff on their roof that doesn't go with their style. A lot of people are asking for all black. All black has been always a bit more expensive. We're trying to bring it down so everyone can have that luxury.
So what you're really saying is it's not point saving $800 on the electricity bill every quarter and then make the house $40,000 uglier.
Exactly. That you're totally correct. Yeah.
Now, there are many things that salespeople on solar panels tell me about. The efficiency, the wind loading, the looks and all that. When it comes to a Longi panel, and in your opinion, what is the most important thing on a solar panel to consider?
In my opinion, I think is the consumer's opinion. I know that looks important, but that needs to be coupled with quality and reliability. You need to have that peace of mind that when you install this, it's going to last. Longi panels, they last. I don't say it, our customers say they last, they see the performance, they see that they're all performing. Even our spec sheets, they see that the performance is always up there.
Thank you very much, Andres.
Thank you so much.
Much appreciated.
Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.